Hey guys, this is another video. I'm just gonna show you guys my dogs. He's running away. Okay, this one's Cash. He's a King Shepherd, which means he's a full-bred German Shepherd. And he's huge. He's up to my waist. And he sheds a lot. And my other one, her name's Izzy. Izzy, come here. Izzy, come here. Come here. Come on. She's really fat. I don't know how. I don't overfeed her. She's just like gets fat somehow. But she's a German Shepherd and a Corgi mix. And I don't know her weight, but Cash's weight over there, he weighs like 130 pounds now, I think. But that's pretty much it. Okay guys, bye.